nigga now. Look at Ace. Look at Ace. Oh, Jesus.
Family, what is going on? It's your boy Stu. Welcome to another episode of Hookemstew. Hey, man. Ooh, this weekend we had a blast. The family and I went to Memphis. And if you go to Memphis, you have to stop by the Bass Pro Shop, man. Listen, that pyramid is everything. So I went just with the intentions of just seeing what was all the hype was about. And I blew my mind. It absolutely blew my mind and surpassed everything I thought. I thought I was just walking into a regular Bass Pro Shop with boats and electronics and fishing stuff. But they had a hotel room inside the Bass Pro Shop. A hotel room. Yes. And they had fish in the floor. They had a duck in the building. Yeah. And I bet, you know, the kids and the wife, they were like walking around. It was like things for them to look at. And you know what that means. It's time for us to shop, man. So, hey, I had an opportunity to do a little shopping. Didn't, like I said, I didn't go in with the intentions of doing it. So, but, you know, I've been a Bass Pro Shop. And to get it, my favorite section in Bass Pro is the fly time, the fly section where you make your flies and the craft type of things. I went there. That's where I always go when I go into the Bass Pro Shop. And so I want to show y'all a couple of the items that I picked up while I was in there. And so let's get to it. I had to buy some more scissors, some more needle nose scissors. I think these are pretty all right. Because I like the fact that the hole is so wide in these. Yeah, so it was time for me to get another pair. I was tired of my finger getting stuck in my ovals. Alright, so bucktails. Yes. This right here, this color. This color is a pretty color. It caught me from across the room. I had to go see about it. This is the last one. So I got there just in time for this. Alright. So these two right here I picked up, I think these are synthetic. Well, I know they are synthetic, man-made material. But I took them out the pack just to feel them, you know, felt pretty good. I don't know how they're gonna react in the water, but in hand they feel real nice. It's not just tearing apart all over the place. And I have a color is this cream. I have a cream, which is always a good color. A cream and a olive. I think I'm gonna be making some more brim jigs with this particular color here. I think the brim will really like this particular color on the small profile jig head. Throw that down in a brim bed and pull them out. Now also, I'm getting into the jig head thing where I'm making the jig heads and painting them. So I saw an opportunity. They had a bunch of paint on the wall. So I saw an opportunity to get some paints. And I'm going to try this powder paint. It's made by ProTech. I got 3 different colors. This is the sapphire blue. You know. And the pearl. And a chartreuse. Can never go wrong with this color. But like I said, my first time using this stuff is powder. They say high gloss lures in 10 seconds. Heat it and dip it. We're gonna see. I'm gonna probably do a review on it to see how well it works. From the starting process of making the jig heads to actually painting the jig heads. We're gonna be doing a video on that. See how that work out. Also, I saw these and I had to grab them. Some jig head, round head jig head molds. Yeah, I got 3 of them, 1/32 ounce. These are 8 cavity jig head molds, and this is the one with the tapered barb. And I got another one at a 1/16 ounce. Yeah, that's gonna, you know, just trying something new. I already make the plastic, so just trying to get into the jig head thing. And this one right here is that one is it don't have a collar, but I'm gonna be using this more so for tying when I hand tie. This is a 4 and 4, 1/16 and a 1/8 ounce. I'm just trying to, you know, do something, add something different to the arsenal, you know, switch it up a little bit. You know, just trying to expand, get better and better at pouring jigs, and also at making jig heads. I'm gonna begin to sell them, so be on the lookout for that. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to this video. More to come. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that bell so you won't miss the next video. And in the next video, I'm gonna have my live scope set up. I'm gonna show you how I set it up, both my Garmins and how I got them networked together. You don't want to miss that one. It's gonna be off the chain. And I'm also do a full review on my jumbo eventually once I get it all together. Right now I'm making some modifications to it. So once I get it all together, I'm going to do a full review on it. Then eventually we can finally get to the water. Man, I cannot wait. It's been a long time. So family, I appreciate y'all. And remember, my friends, stay strong, stay motivated, and whatever you do, never give up. It's your boy Stu, and I'm out.